Hey, do you know what is the most valuable piece of paper by weight and size? It's the British Guiana 1C magenta stamp.
And in 1922, it sold for 352,500 francs.
That is a world record at the time.
But this is not the subject of our video today.
Welcome to the next evolution of design. Clean lines, subtle shifts, and unparalleled resolution. In ancient times, the important information of different periods was recorded and by cutting marks on rocks or mountains. On animal skins, or on tree bark, or tree leaves. From that ancient era to the present world, we are constantly recording various bits of information. In today's modern world, we use paper to record any kind of information. Do you know how many papers are used around the world every day? How many papers are prepared every year?
And how are these papers being produced?
Throughout today's video, I'll discuss with you the history of paper, production process, usage, and all known and unknown information.
I will reveal all the mysteries born with paper.
So, stay with us throughout the entire video.
Modern paper is thought to have originated in China. In the 2nd century AD. Although there is evidence of paper use earlier.
This invention of paper is considered one of the 4 famous inventions of ancient China. In ancient China, bamboo paper was invented by Kai Lun.
Paper began to be used in China as a cheap and effective alternative to silk.
Hey, do you know what is the most valuable piece of paper by weight and size? Do you know how many papers are used around the world every day?
Paper production began in medieval Europe in the 13th century,
where the first water-powered paper mills were invented and built.
These mills revolutionized the speed of paper production. In 1844, Canadian inventor Charles Fennerty and German inventor F.G. Keller co-invented machines and processes. For making wood pulp as a key ingredient in paper making.
You'll be surprised to hear that 65 billion pieces of paper are used in our world every day. In 2023, the total amount of paper used around the world
was 420 million metric tons.
Connecting the world seamlessly. Our network spans the globe, bringing people closer together than ever before.
Is about 427 million metric tons.
China is by far the world's largest consumer of paper.
Salt and paperboard, consuming about 130.3 million metric tons annually.
Industrially prepared papers are constantly used by us in various sectors.
It's believed that paper is used the most in the education sector. Research has shown that a school uses an average of 2,000 sheets per day. And the annual amount of paper used by a school is an average of 320,000 pages.
A large amount of paper is constantly used in various sectors, such as law, finance, real estate, medical centers, and food industry, etc. Printing an average of 50 pages an hour in the law sector.
Most paper is wasted in office work. It's estimated that 70% of total office waste is made up of paper, and 30% of print jobs never get off the printer.
Now, let's talk about the paper preparation process.
These mills revolutionized the speed of paper production.
But today, a large part of the paper is produced in the global recycling process.
The United States recycles 11 million tons of paper each year,
which is 53% of the paper used in that country.
Several steps are followed to prepare the paper in the paper mill. Step 1. Collection of raw materials.
Pulp is the main raw material used in papermaking.
Pulp is made from plants that contain a high percentage of fiber.
Wood pulp is the most common type of plant fiber used to make paper.
Other types of fibers used to make pulp include cotton and cellulose fibers.
Also, through recycling, paper is made again from discarded paper or from waste. Step 2. Pulp and paper process.
Paper for recycling is mixed with processed water and then stirred in a large stainless steel vat called a pulper.
If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe.